How is she there? Oh, see her here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And you already know it's all natural Candice, and I'm back, guys. I'm back. As you can see, I'm showing you my hair. I'm going to be doing a edges tutorial, guys. I've been asking for this, people, and I can't do edges, but I'm going to show you guys what I can do. I'm using the Eco Gel. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm using my car toothbrush, the best toothbrush ever. Yes, to do your edges, and I'm also using a rat tail comb. Yeah, to just fix it up nice and everything. Okay, guys, so I'm ready. Just look at my hair, guys. You need to wear your edges like this, just normal. Alright, so the first edges, I don't even know the names of edges, so I'm just taking out some of my hair. I'm not parting it out because it does not look good when you part it out. Okay, so don't part it out, none at all. Brother, on don't mix my eyebrows. Alright, so now take out some of the Eco Gel. I'm going to put it on my hand. And look, guys, me show you because I want to see everything. So I'm putting the Eco Gel on my hand. Yes, so wipe it on your hands, guys. Swipe it on your hands. Putting some on the brush. And now, just, yeah, that. Just look, guys. Just look. Alright, so this is like a wave thing, so just sweeping it around. Make sure that the brush is controlling the hair and not the hair controlling the brush, along with your fingers, guys. Use your fingers. This looks like it's a wave thing, like wave, so I guess this is the wave edges. I don't know the name of edges, guys. This is the wave edges. If you want to, you can do this, but I rather do this, people, because I know my type of thing. So just watch how I'm doing it, guys. So you see when I reach down at the party, hell, I don't know what I'm to write this, but Jesus, it never did that. It never did stay. When you see me, I try hard to make this something look good, but geez, alright, it kinda look goodish now, so we'll left it right there. So yeah, so that's the wave edges, guys. The wave edges. If I'm getting it wrong, if they have names, you can, drop the name in the comment section, but it's the wave edges for me. The wave edges, yeah. Don't mind my face expression, guys. So that's the edges, guys. So you can do that if you want, but I personally don't do it, or maybe like once in a while. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going back and fix it, but it look a little better now. So yeah, so look at it now. Don't mind my face expression, guys. Yeah. So we got to brush back the ear here up and do another edit, So that's what I'm doing with the tail comb. Okay guys, so this is the next edges. Honestly, I see people do these edges, but I definitely don't do this. They just, pull out the hair and just draw a line down. Just draw a line down. But because of how my hair is shaped, I have to draw it 2 times, as you can see right there. But they just draw one straight line down. I don't know what's the inspiration behind that edges, but I see people do that. As I said before, guys, don't mind my facial expressions. Oh my god. So next edges. This one is pretty simple. You just draw the comb straight through. I don't see anything wrong with this, but I don't do it like this. So you can do this one, guys. I recommend this one. This is like a sweep but a thin one. So this is the thin sweep edges. As I said before, guys, I don't know the names of edges. I don't know if edges have names. So if they have name, you can tell me in the comment section. So guys, I'm about to do the hardest of edges that I see. I definitely don't do this because I don't think that this is cute. Guys, I'm tired right now. Just look at my face. Guys, just look, guys. Look at this. Does this look nice? Oh my god, no. For every teacher that is watching this, every time your student comes to school late, this is what she spends her time doing. Guys, this is the thinner wave. Some do it thick and some do it thin, but this is the thinner wave, guys. So guys, you only see me doing this on one side because I think that this video is going to be too long, so I just did it on one side. Guys, this is the humongous sweep because them sweep here big, may I tell you. This is the humongous sweep. I don't do this, but I see people like just have 4 big edges in their head like. So guys, the best edges for your hair is this, guys. Just comb your hair as it is and brush it up. That's all, the best edges. So I didn't think you subscribe as yet. I don't think you like the video and I don't think you leave a comment. Please do that. It's intermission, so do what you gotta do. So guys, this is my go-to edges, just some normal sweeps. Yes guys, so remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and send someone over here to come and check out these edges and all the other videos I have. Guys, I have a lot of videos in store for you guys. Just make sure that your notification bell is on so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Be in the first batch, guys. Be in the first batch. My quote for you today is that there are no limits to what you can accomplish except the limits you place on your own thinking. Have a nice day.